the previous video, we talked about Canva offline and how you can continue designing even without an internet connection while still having access to essential tools. If you're new here, or even new to the tool we're using, which is Canva, I highly suggest you watch our 20-minute course first before diving into this entire series. It's a short but comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know to master the tool in just 20 minutes. Also, quick disclaimer, if you're serious about becoming a graphic designer, you need to start from the very beginning of this playlist and follow through every episode step by step. Each video is designed to build on top of the previous one, so skipping ahead might cause you to miss important concepts that will affect your progress later on. In this episode, we're going to talk about typography for beginners. And the goal here is to give you a solid foundation so you understand what typography is, how it works, and how to actually use it in your designs. Typography is the art of arranging text in a way that makes it readable, visually appealing, and effective. Now, a lot of people confuse typography with fonts, but they're not the same. Fonts are just one part of typography. Think of fonts as a language. They help you express a certain mood or energy in your design. Typography, on the other hand, is how you use that language. It's how you combine fonts, adjust spacing, create hierarchy, and organize text to communicate clearly. Now let's break it down in a simple way. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. There are different types of fonts you'll commonly use. Serif fonts have small details or strokes at the ends and are usually used for more traditional, elegant, or formal designs. Sans serif fonts are clean and modern, making them perfect for most digital designs and beginners. Script fonts look like handwriting and are best used for creative or personal projects, but should be used sparingly. And then you have display fonts, which are bold and decorative, perfect for headlines, but not for long text. The key here is knowing where to use each one. Pair fonts that contrast but still complement each other, keep it 2 or 3 fonts max, and always focus on readability first before style. Pay attention to spacing, alignment, and hierarchy because these are what make your text look clean and professional. You don't need to master everything at once, just understanding these basics will already give you a strong foundation in typography. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand what typography is, how it's different from fonts, and how to start using it properly in your designs. If you want to continue improving, make sure to watch the next episode in this series, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.